All right, so we're settled, and I hope you all are settled as well. We've got a great panel for you today, and so if you're in the back, this is not church, you can come on up to the front, right? You don't have to be shy, come on up to the front. We're here today to talk a little bit about space. I know we've been here earlier in the morning, but we've talked about where we are going, right? Quo Vadis. If you've seen that movie, it's an awesome movie. And now we're going to talk a little bit about how we're getting there and some of the tech that is being currently worked on, whether at NASA Johnson Space Center, whether here at Rice, or beyond. So my name is Dr. Christine Galeb. I'm Senior Director of Entrepreneurship and Innovation at the ION. And the ION is Houston's hub for innovation, headquarters for innovation. What do we do there? We work with startups, with researchers, with entrepreneurs, with investors, with corporations who are all centered around innovation. And so one of our partnerships is not only with NASA Johnson Space Center, but also because we are part of Rice University, we work very closely with Dr. David Alexander and the Rice Space Institute. So we're thrilled to be here. It is not about me today. I am the moderator of this amazing panel, and I don't know how I lucked out to get all these panelists here at the same time, same place, same universe, but I will turn it over to them so they can introduce themselves. So Michelle, we'll start with you.
Hello, my name is Michelle Rucker. I lead the Human Mars Architecture team just down the road at the NASA Johnson Space Center. I have probably the best job at NASA. Our group, we're sort of the visionaries. We imagine the things that don't exist yet and then try to develop the architectures to enable those things. Before I worked at NASA, I actually got a couple of mechanical engineering degrees here at Rice University, so it's kind of nice to be back on campus again today.
Hi, my name is Marcy O'Malley. I'm faculty here at Rice. I'm the current chair of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, so very proud of our alums. So in addition to sort of overseeing the department and program for educating undergraduate and graduate students in mechanical engineering, my own research is in the area of physical human-robot interaction. So I'm interested in how we can use robotic devices and wearables to augment human performance, primarily in healthcare and medical applications, and I have a long history of collaboration with JSC.
Hello, my name is Luca Parmitano. I'm a colonel in the Italian Air Force as a test pilot, and I'm an astronaut with the European Space Agency. I'm the resident astronaut at the Johnson Space Center, that's why I'm here, and that's why I think that I have the best job at JSC, but agree to disagree. So I'm here to just answer any questions regarding human spaceflight specifically.
Hi, I'm Marcello Azzoni of Spacewear company. Spacewear is a Italian company who design and produce fly suit and a special garment entirely dedicated to the astronauts. So I'm very happy to be here with you and to share our journey into the space.
Hello or ciao to the Galactic 01.
Benvenuti nello spazio.
L'equipaggio della Virtute 1 saluta tutta l'Italia.
Robinson, reporter, business reporter with the Albuquerque Journal. You are going to wear a new prototype spacesuit that monitors different things on your body. Could you describe a bit more the suit and how it worked and so forth?
Sure, and actually I'm very proud to dress this suit. It's been a kind of combination of different fields. So the people, and they are over here in the room, so please engage with them and they can provide even more details compared with the ones that I can give you. They come from the automotive, and the idea was to put together automotive technology, high sport technology, and fashion technology. So this is supposed to be a smart suit. That means at this time, the fabric that composes the suit is anti-flammable, is fire resistant, is anti-magnetic. It can resist all the fabric and the zippers till to, if I'm not mistaken, I will ask eventually Marcello to complement, to 8 Gs. So this is completely different, and it's completely, I mean, you can sweat, but it's don't get the sweat on your body. And at the same time, the suit that I have the t-shirt behind is the one with the sensors. So now the challenge that I propose them is to integrate these two pieces. So we are going to develop the spaceflight suit in second version that is supposed to have the sensors integrated into the fabric of the suit. And I mean, if I look at the development of the space flight and even to the normal fighter pilots environment, we are going to have an environment where with fighter jets 6th generation, you are under a much more stressful condition. So monitor pilots and people flying, it's part of the safety issues that we were talking about just a few minutes ago. So I hope really that this kind of, it's not only beautiful to me, at least it looks like beautiful. I like the color, but I think that it is a technological object. It's not just a commodity as a simple, I would say, flight suit.
All right, so I am ready to wear that and go to space. Who's with me, right? What we'll do is kind of think back about the video, and we will have a time for Q&A, so if you have some questions, you will have a chance to ask those. But what I want to do is kind of flip it back to our panelists, and Marcello, we'll start with you, to talk to us a little bit about the opportunities that you see in space. And you can use the video as a springboard, you can talk a little bit more about what you do, but what are some of those big opportunities that you're currently seeing right now?
Ok. Innanzitutto ha già detto quasi tutto il colonnello Villadei sulla prima versione. Prego.
I would like to thank Colonel Villadei for explaining everything in the video about the first version of the suit.
Abbiamo già realizzato la seconda versione che volerà a gennaio con AX3.
We have already developed a second version which will be better and will be flying in January with the AX3 mission.
È una tuta molto, ha fatto un salto quantico rispetto alla prima versione da tutti i punti di vista.
It's a very improved model in comparison to the former model.
Abbiamo mantenuto e aumentato tutte le prestazioni dei materiali, riducendo enormemente il peso. Stiamo parlando di un peso camicia, e abbiamo aumentato tutti i livelli dei device. I device oggi sono integrati, non sono più presenti in una t-shirt.
We have kept or improved all the various features of the shirt, but we have developed also new materials, and also the device are not separated from the t-shirt, but are integrated in the very same suit. With the weight of the suit is about the weight of a shirt, so it's very light.
noi pensiamo, e come Spacewear, abbiamo fondato questa azienda perché abbiamo molto a cuore gli astronauti in generale. Pensiamo che siano l'avanguardia dell'umanità e quindi pensiamo di costruire un abbigliamento espressamente dedicato a loro, che non è solamente la tuta ovviamente, ma è tutta una linea di prodotti, di items dedicati e pensati per loro.
So when we founded Spacewear, we decided to have the astronauts at the center point of our attention. So the wearer of the suit would be the center point of our attention, and we would be concentrated on their comfort, on their well-being.
Le opportunità che vediamo nello spazio sono praticamente infinite, nel senso che noi crediamo che da lì possano provenire moltissime, è un acceleratore, un enorme acceleratore tecnologico, è un enorme acceleratore di progresso per, credo, tutta l'umanità.
We see great opportunities in space. We look at space as a great accelerator for opportunities for the whole mankind. So we are really looking at space as a great opportunity for all of us.